Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete Instagram account. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then log into your account. Then simply tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner and go to your profile page. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, simply tap on the account center. And in the account center, scroll down and tap on the personal details. Then tap on the account ownership and control. After that, follow with deactivation or deletion. After that, simply click on your profile again. And there will be two options available, deactivate account or delete account. Click on the delete account and continue with the process. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the reason why you want to delete your account. After selecting your reason, you will have to enter the password for confirmation, and Instagram will prompt you to confirm that you want to delete your account, and that will be it. Keep in mind that once you delete your Instagram account, you won't be able to reactivate or retrieve any of the data associated with it. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe if it was helpful.